Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is inner beauty. You've done so much character carving. You have changed your person from who you were even a year ago now. It's so beautiful, your growth, your evolution. You're not the same old person. You're a new creation, and so much beauty that everyone is always in awe just looking at you. I open my eyes of my heart and direct the gaze at the light within every being. Because when you put in the work, now you can cherish and you can see where other people are. Personality and physical appearance are in the image of man, but beauty, that's in the image of God. The image of beauty and goodness is in the image of God, And personality, that's physical appearance. You can buy that off the shelves. What you have, you've worked for, you've earned, and the best word to say is that you qualify. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.